In this video, I'll show you how to see Reels history on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you'd love to see your Reels history, what you're going to do right now, head over to your Facebook, right? Click on the account. Once I've clicked on the account, click on the settings and privacy. Click on the activity log, right? Right now, you're going to see this, your Facebook activity, right? Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to scroll down gradually. You're going to find for the Reels, right? Yeah, so you can see it here. So from this place, you're gonna see your Reels, audio that you have saved, effects that you have saved, right? All this, you're gonna also see your Reels draft here as well. So yeah, this is basically how you can see your Reels history here on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.